Frethan is your go-to marketplace for hassle-free importing, thanks to cutting-edge blockchain technology. We've got small and medium-sized businesses, importers, manufacturers, and exporters covered. Why us? Well, we're a bunch of experts with deep know-how in import, export, and blockchain. With 2 decades of hands-on experience at China direct sourcing, we've built a solid base of 20,000 legit small importers. The problem? A chaotic import process where SME face scams, dodgy products, and bad paperwork. But Frethan's here to change that. We've crafted a robust platform that blends industry smarts and blockchain magic. It equips small and medium-sized businesses with the confidence and the tools to sell through import smoothly. Our track record is pretty impressive, with financial backing, customer trust, industry recognition, and government grants backing us up. It shows our solutions got the job to tackle import supply chain issue heads on.